Hey y'all, I'm back with another natural hair tutorial. This week I'm going to show y'all how I clean up this mess of braids that I have on top of my head. So make sure that you stay tuned so you know exactly what I've used to make this transformation as well as how I did it. First and foremost, I had to go ahead and wash my hair, and yes y'all, I did it in the braids, and this is what it now looks like. So up next, all I'm going to do is apply my leave-in conditioner. From there, I'm going to begin to retwist the roots of my braids as if I was retwisting a set of locks. Okay, so all I'm using is this leave-in conditioner. I also have some hair clips and a comb and a brush. Now that I've applied all of my leave-in conditioner, now what I'm going to do next is continue to prep my hair for the retwist. So all I'm doing is spraying down my roots in my hair with water and oil. Next up, I'm going to begin to clean up one of my parts, and from there I'm going to single out one braid and just begin to retwist that section and then clip it down. That is all I'm doing, and from here I'm just going to continue these exact same steps all the way throughout the rest of my hair. Again, all I'm doing is retwisting the roots of my hair as if I were retwisting locks. Alright, so you're going to retwist it as tight as you can and then clip it, and then we're on to the next. And just like that, y'all, we are done. Look at this. Y'all, you can see my scalp, honey. Before, it was a dry mess full of product buildup. But look at me now, y'all. It looks so clean, fresh, and healthy, and almost as if I really refreshed my braids. As always, y'all know I gotta hit y'all with that final look. So here we go. And that's it, y'all. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys really soon. Bye.